I have given everything I see in this room, on this street, from this window, in this place, all the meaning it has for me. So throughout this whole experience, we are discovering what the truth is within. This is about finding out the truth inside ourselves, okay? So this is psychological. We want to understand that our psyche is what is hiding the truth from us. So in this recognition, and as you practice, what we're doing is discovering that every definition we have of all these things and all these places and all this stuff is all hiding the truth from us. So we are recognizing that we give the meaning these things have. We give them names, we give them purpose, we give them construct, and entirely. Now, when you developed and learned how to exist in this world as an infant, you defined everything. You figured out what skin felt like, what hair felt like, what carpet felt like, what your experience was, all of it. Everything that you know is because you defined it in your psyche. Now, all of this is a projection of your psyche. So throughout this whole process, in order to discover this truth, you have to let go of the definitions you give everything. If you don't, you just see the definitions of things. That's why you see a world the way you do now. And so we want to just recognize that as we're on this journey, we're taking the steps necessary to discover that I see what I choose to see. I experience what I am choosing to experience. And it is all essentially a misunderstanding. So everything that you know and everything that you see and every definitions that you have in your mind, they are definitions. They are ideas and constructs that you are able to process the filtration of the spiritual universe to see it in the way that you would define as this is a physical world, these are physical bodies, this is physical things. And we want to recognize that our minds are doing this. My mind is giving this the meaning. My mind is giving that the meaning. My mind is making this all meaningful. Not just in sense of purpose, but the fact that you think it's an object, that you think it's a shape, that you think it has color. This is all stuff that you learned and essentially decided for your little world.